Hey guys, we're at the construction site today. I'm a city construction worker. We're getting ready to build a new building. That's why I have all these diggers here working hard. Vroom. Whoosh. Vroom. Vroom. Whoosh. Vroom. This load looks full. I'm gonna go dump it off. Beep, beep, beep. Whoosh. Excellent job, trucks. We're really making some headway with this project. Excavator, I noticed you're not really working much today. What seems to be the problem? Well, sometimes this job gets a little old day after day, digging up the same old dirt. I guess I just wish something exciting would happen around here.
Oh, hello there, digger friends. Did I hear somebody make a wish? Well, Excavator, today just happens to be your lucky day. Olaf has a huge surprise in store for you. Come on, trucks, I want everyone to gather around and say, "Let it snow!"
Let it snow, let it snow, come on, let it snow! Olaf, we're on a bit of a deadline here with this construction project. Could you just get to whatever this surprise is? We need to get working.
No problem, foreman. I'll just say the magical words, and then the surprise will happen. Abracadabra! Well, my friends, you asked for a surprise, so I gave you glittery magical sand. Oh, Olaf, thank you so much. You're the best. This new magical sand feels like snow, and it sparkles. This is so awesome.
Vroom, vroom. I can't wait to use my roller skills and make it all smooth. You made work fun again, Olaf. Olaf, I really owe it to you. My guys were feeling really uninspired, and they weren't very happy at work. But now they're excited like a new job. You've saved the day, Olaf, and the work site. We're gonna get to work so much faster now that my guys are happy. Thank you so much.
It's an absolute pleasure. But my one request is that I get a ride in the dump truck.
You got it, Olaf. Let's go. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
This looks like a great spot. You can dump me here.
Whoosh.
Thank you so much for watching our channel, Little People Play, where dreams really do come true.
If you like this video and want to see more new fun toy videos daily, please subscribe to our channel, Little People Play, and have a super awesome day.